Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we'll be exploring the beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Mu'id. Allah is the restorer of the things that He has created and destroyed. The attribute of Al-Mubdi, the originator, contains the meaning of the inventor, while Al-Mu'id is the recreator and the restorer to previous form. Everything runs through its predestined period of life and passes away. Finally, as it was in the beginning, nothing exists except Allah, yet all the doings of the creation, especially of humanity, are recorded within the eternally existent and eternally alive Allah. Some have lived according to His laws, purely and decently. Others have claimed freedom and revolted, becoming murderous and tyrannical. The laws of man do not catch and punish 1,000th of them. Allah knows all. He is the most just. He does not love tyrants, and He takes vengeance against them. If all is resolved by death, there is no eternal justice. Then the sinner, the revolter, the tyrant would escape punishment. Even human reason cannot accept this. Without a doubt, there will be a day of judgment where the good and the evil will be separated from each other. The good will receive their reward, the bad their punishment. Allah promises this in His Quran, and Allah keeps His promises. On that day, Allah, Al-Mu'id, will recreate all creatures, perfect to the details of their fingerprints, and return their souls to them. The servant who is aware of this recognizes Him not only as his creator, but the one who will recreate him. He will be loyal to Him alone and will not revolt against the Creator for the sake of the created. So who is Abdul Mu'id? Abdul Mu'id is the one within whom Allah has placed the knowledge of the secret that things are continuously being reenacted. Often that servant helps in the recreation of things and the recurrence of affairs. He helps to maintain the recreated and recurrent. So my dear, if a person in a household disappears or a valuable possession is lost, if one recites this name 77 times upon the four walls of the house in the quiet of the night after everyone has gone to sleep, either the news of the person who disappeared or the person himself or the object lost may return to that household. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.